Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one is a polar white. Under the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. Standard on the E-Class are the front and rear LED lights. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke wheels, a nut brown interior, sunroof. Coming around back here, we've got a rear deck spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, fresh set of floor mats, comfort box, fold down rear seats. This one is equipped with the Premium 1 package, which comes with blind spot assist, heated seats, Burmeister sound system, memory seats, ambient lighting, power windows. Hopping in here, we've got our new redesigned touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, backup camera, a burl walnut trim, dual climate controls, wireless charging for your cell phone, Apple and Android, our keyless go, our command center with our dynamic settings, which gives you different types of driving settings. We've got Eco, Comfort, Sports, Sports Plus, and Individual. This vehicle only has 28,691 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this, check out feldmanimports.com.